Have you ever taken a photo of someone and the face is unidentifiable? Luckily, with artificial intelligence technology we can solve this problem easily with a few simple tricks. In this video, we will show you how to fix blurry faces in photos with AVCLabs Photo Enhancer AI. Add one or multiple blurry photos to AVCLabs Photo Enhancer AI to get started. Choose the AI Upscaler model and turn on the face refinement option. Choose the output image size. We select 300% here. Select the output image format. Hit on the Save All button to start recovering the blurry faces in photos. Done. Click on the Open Output Directory button to check clear photos. Or tap on the preview icon to preview the restored photos with clear facial details. Zoom in and out to see the details. You can also preview the original and sharpened photo side by side. This AI face recovery makes blurry face in a photo look sharper. Switch the snapshot to check the next photo. The original blurry photo has gotten significantly improved. Let's check the third photo. It is obvious that the AVCLabs Photo Enhancer can help sharpen the face to make a blurry face in a photo clearer, while removing blur from the clothing and background. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please click subscribe.